up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious split pea soup today. We're going to be using our new Symphonial Simpot pressure cooker that I absolutely love. And we're going to create a delicious, really nice split pea soup. So let's get right to work. Alright, so let me go over the ingredients really quick for you guys. This is really super simple. I have one jalapeno, finely minced for heat and flavor. If you guys don't like jalapenos, you can leave that out, of course. I have about one Roma tomato diced, about 2 tablespoons of minced fresh garlic, and about a 1/4 cup of minced white onion. You could use red onion also. This is my smoked sea salt and Thai chili mix. Basically, it's dried Thai chilies that I mix with smoked sea salt. I will provide the link below if you guys can't find smoked sea salt. It is absolutely amazing, especially in recipes like this that are vegan. If you want that smoky flavor, the sea salt will give you that in the recipes. It is amazing. I put that stuff on everything I eat now. So I'll provide a link where you can get the smoked sea salt through Amazon below, and also the dried Thai chilies if you guys want to order your own. I have about probably about a cup and a half of squash. This is like an acorn squash, and what I've been doing is peeling them and dicing them, then freezing them for later use. I also have about 2 cups of, these are baby portobellos that are sliced and cut in halves. This is smoky paprika chipotle seasoning. It tastes, it has that chipotle sweet smoky taste. I think it's got hickory flavor or something's liquid smoke in there, because it has a pretty strong smoky flavor that will also enhance the green beans, the split peas. Used to have this with things like ham hocks or bacon and stuff like that to give it that smoky flavor. But of course, we're not eating any of that anymore since I've gone vegan. So now this will enhance it and give it that delicious flavor that most of you know. I have also some coriander or cilantro. This is about a 1/4 cup minced fresh. And I'll be using about a 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil to saute my aromatics with. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go over to my Symphonial pressure cooker, and we're going to start with the aromatics. We're going to use the saute function on it. Let me show you guys exactly how that goes. Alright, so basically this is the front of my pressure cooker. I'm trying to tilt it to show you guys, and it's got all different settings right here. You just basically turn the knob and it will go to a different setting. It's got a saute setting, which is what I'm going to use to saute this. I'm going to put it on the saute setting right here, push in, and push in again, and it will start the sequence. Right now it is saute. So now we're going to come over here to the top while it's warming up. We're going to take about a 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, now that that oil is hot enough, we are going to go ahead and drop in our onion and garlic, our aromatics. Get that going in there. And what I love about this pressure cooker is that basically you could use this for everything. If I had to choose one item, I would use this. I've made rice 2 or 3 times at home since I got it. It's amazing. I'm going to go ahead and put the tomatoes in. I'm going to start saute these ingredients. And this is building the base of that flavor, caramelizing that garlic and onion. So it's going to have an amazing flavor added into it. Very important to use fresh garlic and onion. If you guys don't want to use fresh garlic, use a garlic paste In my kit, I have a link to a product that is actually a really good garlic paste. If you want to opt out of using the diced, that's the closest thing that I have found to fresh diced garlic. With the onion, you're pretty much stuck. You have to use fresh onion, in my opinion. So now I'm going to drop in the squash and the mushrooms. And what I want to do here is allow them to absorb that beautiful aroma from the garlic and kind of like layer the flavors. This is cooking. It's going to get some of that caramelization before we add more ingredients. And this already smells amazing. We're going to cook that for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to come back and add in split peas, the rest of our ingredients. And I'm using water. You guys can use vegetable broth. I just don't have it on hand. Water will work just fine, but you guys can use vegetable broth if you like. Alright, so I've allowed that squash and mushrooms to sweat a little bit in there. Now we're going to go ahead and drop in our jalapenos, our split peas. I'm going to go ahead and add some of our smoked paprika, but not smoked paprika, smoked paprika with chipotle, so about a tablespoon or so of that. Smells amazing. Smoked sea salt with Thai chili. This is going to have a little bit of spice in it, a little bit of kick. Nothing crazy. So pretty much we got everything in there. The cilantro I like to add towards the end. I'm going to give it a good mix, and then we're going to go ahead and add our water. And we're going to put the setting for beans on the Sinfonio Sim pot. So we give it a good mix there. We got all the ingredients mixed thoroughly. Now we're going to drop in our water. And I just want this to be covered. This is probably about, maybe 10 cups of water, 8 cups of water to the 3 cups of split peas. So you want it to be covered good. We're going to give it a good mix again. And this is all going to cook down. It smells amazing, super smoky. I can smell that sweet chipotle pepper smell, and it smells super smoky. We're going to go ahead and put the cover in, and this goes over here. It makes a noise, and then you lock it on. Now it's locked on. You got to make sure that the seal is good, and we'll come over here. Let me bring you guys in. Alright, so it's right here. We were actually on the saute function. We're going to hit cancel. I'm going to come in again. We're going to start over, and we're going to go over to beans. Let me see where the beans are. Cake, porridge. It's got a bean chili setting, and we're going to push in. And it's starting out. It's a 30-minute cook time. Once it's done, we'll let the pressure out. We'll come back and give it a taste. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you what the soup looks like. It actually completely broke apart. Nothing left of the peas. Nothing left of the squash except for little tiny bitty pieces. This pressure cooker is incredibly powerful. I actually only cooked it for 26 minutes to get this consistency. It basically liquefied the peas. So it's really powerful. Next time probably won't do it as a chili. Maybe do it for like 10 minutes instead of the 25 that I did. It was supposed to go 30, but I cut it short. I put the cilantro in, and that's what we have. It basically liquefied the peas and the squash. This pressure cooker is incredibly powerful. I'm really surprised. There it is. So I love it. Really good at cooking legumes. I'm gonna go ahead and serve it and bring you guys back and show you what it looks like. All right, so this is what I have. I served it over rice with some diced tomatoes and a little bit of cilantro. I'll probably add just a little bit of hot sauce to that. And we have a delicious soup, split peas, really more like liquefied split pea soup, but you guys get the point. It's equally delicious. Next time, maybe just do it less time on the pressure cooker. I was not expecting to be that powerful. If you guys want to get the Symphonial Simpot, I'll provide a link below. They're under $100 on Amazon. I think they're like 95 bucks. This thing is amazing. I love the digital display, and I love how simple they are to use. And as you guys can see, they're super powerful. Really happy with it. Probably the best pressure cooker I've seen so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give this delicious smelling soup a taste. Wow, I gotta take one more. The flavor, absolutely amazing. I can taste the cilantro, the smokiness of that smoked paprika with the sweetness of the chipotle pepper. It's really phenomenal. All the flavors perfectly married together. The mushrooms are perfect. The squash, even though it fell apart, it gave it nice creaminess. You can still get some little chunks in there. A tomato and the fresh cilantro on the top. Absolutely delicious. Wow. Delicious recipe.